Joint and knee pain is a very common condition, especially in people aged 50 and over. Although these pains come with age, the foods consumed are also very effective on the pain. If you do not pay attention to the foods you consume, these pains will gradually increase. In this video, I will recommend 10 foods that will reduce your joint and knee pain if you consume them regularly. Before starting the video, I want you to subscribe to my channel and like the video. You can make me very happy with these two little things. If you are suffering from severe joint pain, the first food I would recommend would be fish. As I said in my previous videos, fish consumption is very important for people aged 50 and over. Omega-3 fatty acids in fish help to eliminate inflammation. In addition, these fatty acids will help reduce the joint pain you experience. So if you are asking which fish should I consume, I can say that you can consume oily fish such as salmon, sardines, and herring. These fish will help relieve your joint and knee pain. You should take care to consume fish at least 2 times a week. You can consume your fish by baking, grilling, or steaming. The second important food you should consume is ginger. Its anti-inflammatory properties will help relieve the painful joint pain you experience. You can also increase your mobility by consuming ginger. If we talk about how to consume it, you can consume it by brewing it in the form of ginger tea or using it in the dishes you will cook. In addition, you can grate the ginger root into powder and get more practical uses. You can make different experiments such as smoothies. In addition, consuming ginger will protect you against diseases during the cold months. At the age of 50 and above, another food you can consume for joint and knee pain will be citrus fruits. Especially if you do not consume citrus fruits at this age, you can see the disadvantages of this very much. As citrus fruits, you should prefer citrus fruits with plenty of vitamin C, such as tangerines, oranges, and lemons. The vitamin C you will get from these foods will be very important for your cartilage health. Thus, your joint pain will be much less. You can consume the citrus fruits in your home by slicing or freshly squeezed. It will be very beneficial for you. I can say green leafy vegetables as another food. Especially foods in this category are of great importance for joint pain. You should definitely include green leafy vegetables such as chard, spinach, and broccoli in your meals. Green leafy vegetables are extremely rich in antioxidants and vitamins. These vegetables consumed regularly will support joint health and will help to reduce pain to a great extent. If we talk about how you can consume them by making various salads, steaming, or making smoothies. Another important food that many people don't know about is cherries and sour cherries. These dark berries play a big role in relieving joint and knee pain. Their antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components will be of great benefit to you. You should take care to consume dark fruits such as cherries and cherries between your meals. You can also consume them fresh or as dried snacks. Another important food for your joint and knee pain is olive oil. The anti-inflammatory properties in olive oil will greatly alleviate your painful joint and knee pain. If you care about your joint health at the age of 50 and over, you should definitely take care to consume olive oil. If you ask how you can consume olive oil, I can say that you can add it to your meals or use it in salads. Start including olive oil in your meals on a daily basis right away. At the age of 50 and above, nuts and seeds are quite neglected, but they are the perfect foods for joint and knee pain. If I give examples of these foods, I can say various nuts and seeds such as hazelnuts, almonds, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in their content will be of great benefit to you. Consuming these foods regularly will positively affect your joint health. It will also help reduce inflammation. You can start by consuming a handful of nuts or flax seeds daily. You can also add nuts and seeds to salads, smoothies, and yogurts. Onions and garlic, which are extremely rich in anti-inflammatory properties, contain sulfur compounds. These components can significantly reduce your joint pain. It also plays an active role in the repair of inflammation, if any. Therefore, if you are 50 years of age or older, you should take special care to consume onion and garlic. You can quickly see the benefit by adding it to your meals frequently. Onion and garlic are beneficial not only for joint and knee pain, but also for many things in the body. Again, pineapple, which many people do not know, contains an enzyme called bromelain. This enzyme has inflammation-reducing properties and helps to alleviate joint and knee pain in your body. Therefore, if you have pain in this way, I can say that you should definitely take care to consume pineapple. Finally, I can talk about yogurt within the scope of foods that are good for joint and knee pain. Yogurt contains probiotics in its content. Thus, it has a great role in strengthening the digestive system and immune system. If you are suffering from joint and knee pain, you should definitely consume yogurt because yogurt contains ingredients that are good for joint health. If you want to eat healthy and get rid of pain, you can choose natural yogurts with high probiotic content. In this video, I talked about 10 different foods that are good for knee and joint pain. If you want to get rid of your pain naturally and achieve a healthy life, you can take care to consume these foods. If you liked the video, you can subscribe to my channel and like the video. Don't forget to share the video with your friends. See you in the next video.